everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these two really cute and it looks so nice, these cute pencils. Now everyone loves cute stationery, but it's really hard to make. So I have given an easy method on how to make, and I'm going to make a part 2. That is, I'm going to make another pencil topper that is way different than this. So if you have not subscribed already, make sure to do that. Like this video because I know you are going to love it. Share it with your friends. So yeah, now without any further delay, let's get started. Materials required for this craft is a white sheet of paper, colors. I'm using these connector pens, but you can use any other color medium as well. Obviously pencils. So I have these two different types. I'm going to show two of them, but you can make how many ever you want. Now for tapes, I know this is a lot, but what we are going to do actually is, don't get disappointed, but we are not going to be painting on the pencil. We are going to stick on some tape. Now if you don't have this kind of tape, you can watch my video on the same topic that will be linked in the eye popping up. It's washi tape tutorial. And you will need clear tape. This is also optional. I'm using both of the sizes today. A pair of scissors, Fevicol glue. You can use any other glue as well. First of all, on our pencil, we are going to take the tape, and then so I'll be talking a little while on this. We are going to basically cover this on the pencil. This is the easiest method. Why I did not use the paint method? The paint method, I don't like it at all. It doesn't work. First thing that is not good about it is a mess everywhere. You have to, it's like another project. And the second thing is, pencils do not have texture, so the paint won't stick, right? So instead of doing all of that million layers and then cleaning the space up, I came up with another idea, is to use tape. Enough of talking about that. I'm going to take my tape. I have these. I got it from a local shop. These are very easy to find. I'm just going to take my tape and my Fevicol glue and stick it. So here I have it. I finished covering and it was so easy and fast. So we are already done with the covering on the pencil, and we are going to now make the actual pencil topper. But before that, I'm going to quickly whip up my other pencil with my other tape, because I'm going to show two of them. But if you don't want to make two of them, you can just make one. So I'm going to quickly do that. Done. And this looks also very nice. I love it. So okay, we have finally the pencils done. We are going to do the pencil toppers now. For that, we will take our white sheet of paper. We are going to draw out anything we want as the topper. So I'm going to be drawing a rainbow and a cupcake. So here I have finished making the design, and now I'm going to cut it out. So here I have finished, and now before we proceed, what we'll do is we will cut out the same shape on plain paper on each of these. Done. Now we will take both of our pencils. I'm going to show it on one of the pencils for now. We are going to keep this on the back, and we are going to keep ready the thick tape, this one ready, and just measure however we want, then place this. Okay, so it's going to look something like this. We'll take out the pencil, then take the tape, and we're just going to coat it on top. And then we will flip this over. We'll keep this also here. And then we are going to stick the tape on top of this. So there we have it, and I'm going to cut the excess. Now what we are going to do is we are going to actually not have the tape at the bottom. So we are just going to chop that off like so. Then I'm going to take my pencil, insert it inside. With more tape, I'm just going to stick it at the bottom. So yeah, there we have it. Now I'm going to quickly do the same with my other pencil. So yeah, there I have it. I finished gluing these and it looks so good, and by mistake if you spill anything, nothing will happen to these, and it's just so practical, and even if you sharp this pencil, the tape won't go. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll meet you in my next one. Till then, take care and bye bye. And it looks so nice. Do I have enough time? I don't. Okay, it's going to take some time to cut this.